Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on your HP ENVY X360. To do it, first I'm gonna shut down, so let's go to the start, then go to the power button and shut down. Now I'm gonna flip it over so I have the access to my keyboard, because without it I won't be able to run the diagnostics. And now what I need to do is click on the power button, and as soon as I release it, I need to start pressing on the escape button multiple times. So let's do it. When it shows this little text right here, I can release, and then let's click on F2 key. Now let's select the language. I'm gonna stick with English. Then here is the privacy statement, so you can scan the QR code and read it. Then select yes or no for the privacy, so I'm gonna click on yes because it's recommended and it will do more things. Then you can either go to system information, symptom test, system test, component test, test logs, language, support option, or exit. So first I'm gonna go to system information. You can read the information about your system, like storage, battery, everything. I'm gonna go to main menu now, and let's go to system test. Now you can do fast or extensive test. I'm gonna do a fast test, and then it will take a few minutes. So it will check the battery, processor, wireless module, hard drive, and the board. So it takes 1 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna click on run once, and now wait the time it needs to do it. And now you can see it shows the results. The battery check actually had a problem, but I think it's because I have a charger plugged in, but I don't want to unplug it right now. So I'm gonna click on continue. Now the second pass will check my memory, hard drive, and video memory. So I'm gonna click on back and go to the main menu, but you can continue with that. Then you can also do the component test and test any component that you want. So let's do a component of touchscreen, and either touch pointer test or drag and drop test. So I'm gonna do a touch pointer test, then click on run once. And now you need to, using your finger, touch each of the blocks to erase them. So I'm gonna just touch any of them to make sure that the screen is working properly in all of the places. And now it is passed, so I can go to the main menu, go to component test again, go to touch screen, drag and drop test. And now I need to drag these rectangles like it shows here. And now it is passed, so I can go to the main menu, and here you can also view the test logs. And you can do more, like symptom tests, but I'm gonna click on escape to go back. Then let's also test the touchpad, pointer test, run once. Now I need to move my cursor inside the dialog, then click on the left button, right button, double click, and it is correct. So now I'm gonna just exit out of it and click on yes. And this is the diagnostics. You can diagnose anything that you actually need. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.